how to fix items unavailable error on Shopee. So in order to fix the item unavailable error on Shopee, you could try these steps or troubleshooting steps. First of all, you could try cleaning your Shopee app's cache. So for that, you want to exit out of the app and then you want to locate Shopee and long press the app and go to the iInfo or the app info section, and there you could simply click on storage and cache and make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just leave it as it is. After which you could also try force stopping, that might be able to help. And then what you could also do is you could also try updating your Shopee app. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version, so head over to your respective app store and on the search bar you simply want to type in Shopee. When you locate Shopee, you could simply go ahead and update it, so if the update is available, and that might be able to help. Despite all this, if nothing works out, then you could simply uninstall the Shopee app and at the same time restart it and reinstall the Shopee app once again, and that's going to help you out to fix it. So these are a couple things in order to fix item unavailable error on Shopee. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.